I am going to replay Donald Trump's comments, but I want you to look not at Donald Trump, but at the man in the red just to the right of your screen.
Hillary wants to essentially abolish the Second Amendment. By the way, and if she gets to pick her judges, nothing you can do, folks. Although the Second Amendment people, maybe there is, I don't know. But
The world watched your jaw drop. I want you to tell me what were you thinking?
Well, I was thinking exactly what I said to my neighbor, Connie, and that was, I can't believe he said it. The media will have a field day with this one. I was just absolutely taken aghast. Down here in the South, we don't curse in front of women, we don't drink liquor in front of the preacher, and we don't make jokes like that in public. Now, we may do things in private, we may go to the shed and drink some moonshine or something like that, but we would have taken Mr. Trump to the shed and said, don't say things like that because people will misconstrue it. But it was clear to my mind and to the people around me that he was trying to make a joke.